Hello everyone, today I will discuss most important of 50 general knowledge questions. So watch full class and like, share, subscribe to our channel. Where is the headquarters of United Nations Environment Program? Answer, Nairobi, Kenya. Which is the only active volcano in India? Answer, Barren Island. The Disaster Management Act was enacted in India in which year? Answer, 2005. What does LTE your phone stands for? Answer, long term evolution. Which is the largest organ in the human body? Answer, skin. Who wrote the Nobel 1984? Answer, George Orwell. Which is the least populated state in India? Answer, Sikkim. How many players play in an ice hockey team? Answer, 6. What is the chemical symbol of gold? Answer, AU. Which state of India is as known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer, Kerala. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Answer, the New York City. What is the capital of Canada? Answer, Ottawa. Who invented the World Wide Web? Answer, Tim Berners-Lee. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer, Dr. Satchidananda Sinha. Who is known as the father of physics? Answer, Isaac Newton. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? Answer, J.K. Rowling. What is the capital of New Zealand? Answer, Wellington. How many states are there in the United States? Answer, 50 states. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer, Mount Everest. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer, Jupiter. What is the capital of Australia? Answer, Canberra. What is the national flower of England? Answer, rose. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? Answer, Venus. How many bones are there in the human body? Answer, 206. Who painted the famous work at The Last Supper? Answer, Leonardo da Vinci. When was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? Answer, 2015. Which country won the FIFA Men's World Cup in 2022? Answer, Argentina. When did the Second World War end? Answer, 1945. Which is the strongest bone in the human body? Answer, femur. Which planet in our solar system is known as the green planet? Answer, Uranus. Who is the last Governor General of Independent India? Answer, C. Rajagopalachari. Which plant is cultivated for biodiesel? Answer, Jatropha. In which country Bastille located? Answer, France. Duties of the Prime Minister comes under which article of the Constitution? Answer, Article 78. Which amendment act of the Indian Constitution introduced the panchayats? Answer, 73rd Amendment Act. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer, Sukumar Sen. In which year India became a member of the United Nations? Answer, 1945. At present, how many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer, 11. Which is the only floating national park in the world? Answer, Kebul Lamjau National Park. The National Institute of Rural Development of India is situated in which city? Answer, Hyderabad. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the election and election commission? Answer, Part 15. Who wrote the book Indian Social System? Answer, Ram Ahuja. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with citizenship? Answer, Part 2. The political parties got the constitutional recognition for the first time in which year? Answer, 1985. What is the full form of Niti Aayog? Answer, National Institution for Transforming India. Who leads the Goods and Service Tax of India? Answer, Finance Minister. Who is known as the father of Indian missile technology? Answer, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Who designed the national flag of India? Answer, Pingali Venkaiah. These questions are very important for your upcoming exams. So subscribe and join to our channel for more important classes.